Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite dips, this super simple avocado dip. It comes together in a matter of minutes with an immersion blender and is so addicting, served with chips, in tortillas, as an easy and flavorful salad dressing, or as a spread in sandwiches. If you like the flavors of cilantro and avocado, you're going to love this. So we're starting with one ripe avocado in a wide mouth jar or in your food processor if that's all you've got. And to that, we are adding our Greek yogurt. This may seem like an odd ingredient, but it adds so much fluffiness to the dip, as well as a really nice tangy flavor that complements the lime juice and the avocado really well. And it just boosts the overall creaminess, so just trust me. And then we're gonna add our lime juice. I like to use a few tablespoons of lime juice. It's usually about one whole ripe lime, but I like to have extra on hand just in case I want to add more in the end. And then in addition to that, we are adding about a 1/4 cup of cilantro. This adds a really great freshness. Obviously, if you don't like cilantro, you don't have to add it. And then we're adding about a 1/4 of a jalapeno with the seeds removed. You can add obviously more or less of this depending on your preference with spice. And finally, we are just adding some salt. Knowing that we'll probably end up adding more salt to taste later, I like to go light on the salt up front. And then just a little more lime juice because I'm addicted. Okay, so once all of that is in your jar or food processor, we're just gonna blend everything together until it is creamy and smooth and there are no clumps left. This actually does take a while, so don't be impatient here. Take your time and just keep blending up until you don't see any more pieces, big pieces of, jalapeño or cilantro or anything like that. You're gonna notice it has this really bright green color that is so beautiful, and thanks to that Greek yogurt and the avocado, it's going to have this really luscious, smooth and fluffy texture that's perfectly thick without being too thick that you can't get a chip through it. It has this perfect spreadable consistency that I am totally in love with. So just continue to blend it up, and once you are done and you don't see any more clumps, I like to give it a taste, and this is the point where you can add more of anything that you think it needs. So here I'm adding a little bit more lime juice, and I'm also going to add a little bit more salt. Now, if you want the dip to be thinner at this point, you could add a little dash of water or just more lime juice if you like that flavor. If you want it to be thicker, you could add some more avocado and or Greek yogurt. Just do what you need to do here to get that taste exactly where you want it, and then blend it up once more just to get everything combined evenly. And at this point, your dip is all done. So you are ready to serve this however you like. Here I'm serving it just with some fresh, crunchy tortilla chips. But again, it's great as a dip, as a spread with fresh seafood, or even right out of the bowl with a spoon. No judgment here. I hope you enjoy.